Hey guys, what's up? Mr. Gene back with my retail box of 10-11 Series 1. Josh just got a nice Bobrovsky Young Gun. It's not too bad. Hopefully I can pull something a little better. That's what I'm hoping for, obviously. Josh isn't. He got 3 boxes, I got 1, so obviously he's hoping that his are better. If I get the hit in any of these packs, I will put it to the side, so first crack. Ah, crap. Cards won't come out. It's not open all the way, that's why. There we go. Jonathan Toews Ultimate Team and Ryan Getzlaf All-World Team. I'm pretty sure I've got both of those guys already, so damn pie base. I'll try to fly through this video fast so we have more time because we got a lot of more videos coming. Obviously not that much time on my camera. It is a camera. It has limited time, so. Gilbert Brule Retro. Here, make some room. And base. Yeah, our camera's on a little bit of a rough make-do stand because my dad needed the camera stand for work, so kind of sucks. But yeah, exactly. So if it's a little wobbly and stuff, I'm sorry. I apologize in advance. That's all base. Cool. Alright, one's dead. Oh, Brandon Peary Young Guns. Cool. Love that guy. I'm totally being sarcastic.
We've gone and we've always gone in 1 of 10.
Yeah. So. Oh, dude, you're like... Here, I'll slide this down then so we have room. Sorry about that, guys. Josh just moved onto the couch beside me. Got in my way. I can get mad at him. Nicholas Backstrom, EA Sports. Insert base. Here, I'll move this base pile here so I have more room. I also got 2 more of those 24-pack lots of 10-11 Series 2. But I have some news about them you'll stay tuned for. Retro Chris Stewart. And sad fact of the matter is I might not even end up opening them. You'll see why. Stay around to my video. Packs dead. So much more fun to kill the packs, but I just love.
Ooh,
oh, jersey.
Ryan Miller.
Ryan Miller. I didn't even notice it. Cool.
Nice.
Not a bad guy.
Not bad.
I didn't even notice a jersey. Oh, crap. It's probably so cool. Oh, yeah. That's why. Didn't I just destroy that pack?
Yeah.
That's why I didn't notice the jersey, obviously. Young Guns, Dustin Tokarski. Cool. 4 more Young Guns left. I'm really hoping for some Hall or Eberle Mojo. That would be really nice to pull. Especially in these retail boxes. It would just be extra special. Base. Cool. It's kind of hard to see if it's all base or not when you're looking right through the camera, so I gotta focus on the cards more. Jonathan Erickson Retro. Base. I remember last time I got one of these boxes, I ended up getting a Retro Young Gun Enters Limb back, which was pretty nice. That's the only decent Young Gun I got out of the box, though. No real decent Young Guns, like regular Young Guns, just a parallel. Steve Yzerman. But yeah, just the retro parallel, unfortunately. The other guys were crap, so hopefully we'll have some Hopefully we'll have some redemption from that last one. We pull some nice mojo out of here. Oh my god, get the flip
That guy always
away.
follows us. So does
Dadanov and Peary, man. Those guys are just hell.
Too bad they weren't good.
Yeah, I know. It'd be nice to have Taylor Hall following me like that. Actually, my dad's got Taylor Hall following him. This guy bought, like... TJ Brody. All-World Team, Daniel Efferson. Anyways, my dad bought, like, a bunch of blaster boxes and tins and stuff. And this guy pulls out Taylor Hall Young Guns like crazy. And I'm spending more money and getting less good stuff, so...
Like Dadanov.
Yeah, like Dadanov and Peary, jeez. Cam Ward Retro. How many young guys out of 3?
3, so you got 3 more coming.
3 and hopefully a retro, so... They're 1 every 2 boxes, so... It'd be nice to get. Base. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quite a few packs left. I hope I don't get it.
Oh, Braden Shen.
Oh, Braden Shen, cool.
Nice.
So, wow, this box is like Now that I think about it, this box is replicating that other box you got.
Yeah, it is.
That first box you got, every young gun so far.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got. Yeah, it's actually exactly the same.
So you should get TJ Brody.
I hope I don't get a TJ Brody. Hopefully we'll change something in there and get like a haul. Only difference is the jersey was different. Base.
Yeah.
But wow, that's actually crazy. I just realized that. In his first retail box, he got the Braden Shen.
Not a bad young gun to get.
Yeah, not a bad one.
Oh,
Retro Young Gun, Alex Verbaum. Cool. Not the best name, but that's still
as a young gun?
Retro Young Gun. No, it's not. It doesn't count as a parallel. So I still have what, 2 more?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, that kind of broke the trend a little. Got a Retro Young Gun. Hopefully, I can get one of those huge names, Hall or Eberle. That would just be sweet. Wow. I think I'm getting more base packs than you've got. I don't know, though. I didn't really keep track, but...
Jeff Skinner.
Yes!
Jeez.
Sweet! Jeff Skinner Young Gun. That's not bad. I didn't realize you realized. I'm looking through the camera. I know I've got 1 Young Gun left.
Yeah.
Jeez. I didn't even notice. I just looked and all of a sudden he's like, Jeff Skinner. I was like, oh, wow, you're right. Didn't want to get my hopes up because Zach Dalp is the one I normally get. I don't know what series he's in though.
I think you got all your young guns.
No, I still should have 1 more Young Gun. But that's cool, Jeff Skinner.
And Shen.
He's a really elusive guy too.
It's hard to get.
Yeah. Retro Tyler Myers. Oh, my back hurts. Stand up for a little stretch. 2 packs, 1 Young Gun. What could it be? Already got some nice Young Guns, so we'll see if we can top it off. Iserman. That definitely topped off a Jeff Skinner Young Gun.
Yeah.
I'm 100% sure. This last one, come on, let's give him some Holler Eberle Mojo. That would be nice. That would be nice. I'm going to take the back 3 off. Now let's go. Countdown. 1.
Justin Falk.
Okay, Justin Falk. Cool. Alright, not bad Young Guns in that box. Not a bad jersey, so stay tuned for our next videos coming up.
Thanks, guys.